Hello friends, good afternoon to all of you. I am Dr. D.G. Shahane, Department of English, SMSMP Mahavidyalaya, Natipute. Friends, today I am going to deliver a lecture on the novel The God of Small Things, written by Arundhati Roy. But friends, before delivering a lecture on the summary of the novel The God of Small Things, I would like to give you brief information about the life and work of Arundhati Roy. Susanna Arundhati Roy was born on 24th November 1961 in Shillong, Meghalaya, India, to Mary Roy, a Malayali Syrian Christian women's rights activist from Kerala, and Rajiv Roy, a Bengali Hindu tea plantation manager from Calcutta. When she was 2 years old, her parents divorced and she returned to Kerala with her mother and brother. For some time, the family lived with Roy's maternal grandfather in Uti, Tamil Nadu. When she was 5 years old, the family moved back to Kerala, where her mother started a school. Roy attended school at Corpus Christi, Kottayam, followed by the Lawrence School, Lovedale in Nilgiris, Tamil Nadu. She then studied architecture at the School of Planning and Architecture, New Delhi, where she met architect Gerard da Cunha. The two lived together in Delhi and then Goa before they separated. Roy returned to Delhi, where she obtained a position with the National Institute of Urban Affairs in 1984. She met independent filmmaker Pradeep Krishnan, who offered her a role as a goatherd in his award winning movie Masi Sahib. Later, the two married. They collaborated on a television series on India's independence movement and on two films, Annie and Electric Moon. Disenchanted with the film world, Roy experimented with various fields, including running aerobics classes. Roy and Krishnan eventually separated. She became financially secure with the success of her novel The God of Small Things, published in 1997. Roy is a cousin of prominent media personality Pranav Roy, the head of the Indian television media group NDTV. She lives in Delhi. Early in her career, Roy worked in television and movies. She wrote the screenplays for in which Annie gives it those ones. This is the name of the film screenplay. Actually published in 1989. A movie based on her experiences as a student of architecture, in which she also appeared as a performer. Friends, Roy won the National Film Award for Best in 1989 for this screenplay, which is entitled as In Which Annie Gives It Those Ones. Arundhati Roy was awarded the Booker Prize for her novel The God of Small Things, the novel which was published in 1997. Roy donated the prize money she received as well as royalties from her book to human rights causes. So, this is the broad-mindedness of Arundhati Roy we can see here. Roy was awarded later on the Sydney Peace Prize in May 2004 for her work in social campaigns and her advocacy of non-violence. Friends, this is the information which is related to, this is a brief information related to the life and work of Arundhati Roy, the novel which achieved Booker Prize, The God of Small Things. I would like to give you a very brief information about this novel. Actually, Roy began writing her first novel, The God of Small Things, in 1992, completing it in 1996. The book is semi-autobiographical and a major part captures her childhood experiences in Imanam. The publication of The God of Small Things catapulted Roy to international fame. It received the 1997 Booker Prize for Fiction and was listed as one of the New York Times notable books of the year. It reached 4th position on the New York Times bestsellers list for independent fiction. From the beginning, the book was also a commercial success. Roy received £500,000 as an advance. It was published in May and the book had been sold in 18 countries by the end of June. So, in this way, this is a grand success which achieved Arundhati Roy in the field of literature, particularly in Indian writing in English. So, this is a brief information about life and work of Arundhati Roy. Thank you very much for patiently listening me. Thanks a lot.